Hello again, folks. This is my premiere box break of Gold Standard Soccer Panini. The price had to be right before I've decided to take a leap of faith, because at over 100 US dollars per box, and to get only potentially one autograph hit, personally I don't think this is value for money, but let's see whether I have some beginner's luck when it comes to this particular product right here. Only one pack of I think 7 cards, if I'm not mistaken. Very pricey product, but all their cards, even the base set, are all numbered, so let's hope for a good one. Okay, so I'm going to do a card by card review, starting with Metallurgy, Leandro Paredes. Number 149. First autograph hit is a Liverpool card, but this is the third time I've gotten him from different products. It's Adam Lallana. With the jersey, number to 99. I was really hoping for a new Liverpool name, but oh well. But there we go, it's match worn. So that's a good thing. Match worn material and autograph. Number to 99. I'll consider this a jersey card, not a patch. And the next one, a new addition to the autograph collection. There you go, Marco Vermaas of Ajax. So nice new addition to the collection. Although I should have gotten him a long time ago, from Nobility, from Select. Oh well. It was only a matter of time. Okay, no more autograph hits from here on. White gold is Benjamin Heinrichs, another boring jersey card. Number to 99. And right, to round it off, we have Julie Fodi, United States Women's National Team. Number to 19 is Nicolas Lodero, Uruguay. And a so-called rookie card, Nicolo Barella, to 129. So pretty average box, but of course the pick of the bunch is my Marco Vermaas, new addition to the autograph collection, complete with his player jersey number. Alright, so that is it for my first ever Gold Standard Soccer break. I will see you next time for further breaks of this product. Let's hope for a much better return next time around, so I'll see you again.